Ananta X, the prosperity ecosystem built for scalable reward. Somebody invited you to have a look at some information about Ananta X, and that is exactly what this is. A members first ecosystem combining real world benefits, auto gold accumulation, and a structured reward system. This is going to be done in three little videos, short videos to help and explain the whole Ananta X ecosystem. In video number one, we're going to chat about compliance, vision, and trust. But let me start with something real. Right now, most people are working harder than ever, but financially, they're not getting ahead. Costs are going up. Groceries, fuel is up and down, education, healthcare, jobs are in danger because of AI and robotics, people becoming poorer, and businesses are failing. And a very few systems are actually helping people move forward. So the real question becomes, is there a way to reduce pressure while building something for the future at the same time? So, if I could show you how to reduce your monthly expenses, access real everyday benefits, and grow a long term business without competing with what you are doing and start accumulating gold over time without risk, would it be worth taking a closer look? And that's exactly what we're going to go through in this presentation. So this is Ananta X. Ananta X is a prosperity ecosystem built on three pillars: helping people save, helping people protect what matters, and helping people grow over time. This is not a product first. This is not an income first. This is a value first membership. Most systems focus on one. Ananta X connects all three. One of the most important things today is trust. Ananta X operates within a fully FSP compliant and regulated framework. Founded November 2022. Ananta X is operating as a 4-engine platform. Number one, a household value engine with savings, benefits, assistance, rewards, and education. Number two, an empowerment engine for trailblazers and ambassadors with Ananta X Academy. Number three, a trust engine, proof and compliance that brings trust and safety. And number four, a wealth engine, auto gold accumulation and a rewards program, including ranks and incentive. So every month, part of your membership builds gold for you, quietly, consistently, and over time. With Ananta X, we have full access from day one. Ananta X is for people who are looking for stability, families who want support, professionals who think long term, and leaders building legacy. It is not for quick wins, it is built for real progress. So, what makes Ananta X Club so unique? 10 core benefits. And please remember, Ananta X, it is not product pushing, pressure based, or dependent on hype. It is value first, system driven, and built for real people. But to really understand the completeness of what Ananta X is and what it offers, we need to zoom out a little bit. This is the complete Ananta X ecosystem. If you zoom out a little bit, there's some benefits for you, the 10 core benefits. If you zoom out a little bit more, there's auto gold accumulation. If you zoom out a little bit more, there's additional benefits and value to you. And if you zoom out to the entirety of the program, embedded into this is an incredible opportunity. So let's take a closer look at what Ananta X really offers. And we are going to do that in video number two.